Don't spill, don't spill, don't spill, don't spill, don't spill. Hey, let me put this down because I'm clumsy and I'll probably spill it. So it's about 7:30 in the morning and the shoot that I had planned for today fell through. Yeah, that kind of sucks, but it's cool because what I did is I ended up texting my friend Stephanie because her and her dad both have Cateye Chevys. And if you're not sure what a Cateye Chevy is, I'm gonna put pictures up here on the screen for you. So they both have Cateye Chevys. They're both like on really wide tire setups. They both look really sweet. So no cool, crazy long intro today. We're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna try to get some rollers. Gonna probably be doing some sketchy stuff. So yeah, hang around and let's see what's next. All right, so we got both trucks here, just out in the middle of nowhere. When we got here, the clouds were kind of annoying. It was a little overcasty, which made the light a little bit soft, but it looks like it's starting to clear up a little bit. So hopefully it'll stay like that for when we go to do some rollers here in a second. But just wanted to say, coolest dad-daughter duo, hands down, okay? This is dad's truck and daughter's truck. They're both on Archons. They're both got that wide life. I don't even know if you can see it on the GoPro, but like the stance is insane. We're gonna take some photos of these trucks and see what we can come up with. All right, so I'm thinking we're gonna keep it at 2.2 and we'll probably shoot it under just a little bit. Because of the way the light is right now, it's making everything kind of soft. So I want to shoot a little bit underexposed for two reasons. One, the sun keeps peeking out at random times. Two, if I shoot it soft, it will make it so that my life is a lot easier when I'm editing with the shadows. So we got the 85 Sony A7 III. It is pretty windy out here, so sorry about the noise. Oh, shoot. So sorry about the noise, guys, but all right, so y'all can see the sun just dipped behind the clouds. Let's take one of Steppy's truck. So this is the truck that you guys see on my Instagram all the time. If you're following me, if you're not following me, I'm gonna put the link right there. Go ahead and pop over and give me a follow. All right, so it's gonna be a little bit interesting. It's a narrow road, so I don't have a whole lot of room to work with, but I wanna try to get both trucks side by side. So I think if I stand right here, oh, I gotta stand really way far back. All right, so I wanna get both trucks side by side, but it's a little bit of a narrow road here. So see how far over I can go without cutting the trucks out. I'm gonna put these pictures up on the screen for you guys once they're done being edited. I think it would look super mean if I got like a down low angle and make sure there's no cars coming. I think a down low shot with the ground coming in would be really sweet. All right, I gotta back up for that one. Thinking that looks mean, so mean to be down low like that. So I'm gonna try to get one straight on of this blue truck here. Let's see, I wanna get a little bit lower. I need to back up because he's got some wide wheels. Same thing with Steffi's truck. trying not to die here. Anybody who knows me will tell you I am like the clumsiest person on the face of the planet. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. All right. I really like the way this line is just going straight up the hood, coming down to the bow tie here. So I want to try to get a shot of just the grill, but with that leading line coming in there. All right, nobody's coming, so we're good to go there. Oh, this would look pretty mean. So if I get a side profile shot of both of these trucks, and I'm trying to back up a little bit, but I don't have a lot of room. I almost just fell. Almost just died. All right, sweet. All right, let's see. Eric, these photos are not worth dying for. Psych. Yeah, they are. One of the cool things about shooting trucks is you have a lot of different options for angles. I'm gonna try to get steppies in focus. Yeah, when you're shooting trucks, you have a lot of different options for angles. Because with trucks, there's naturally multiple parts of the vehicle. Dylan! Dylan! Move! Dylan! All right, there we go. I'm gonna try to see if I can get one through here. I don't really like the way that looks, but all right, so we got some photos. We're gonna get some more here in a second, but we're gonna go to the next location and shoot some rollers. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so location change. We're back. Got the boys chilling in here. What's up, dudes? Randy? What's up, dudes? So we ended up coming to town center because it's like the only like city-ish building that we have. Yeah, so we got Steppy here again. So Steve had to take off. So we're gonna do some photos with Steppy here. We'll do some pictures of Steppy's truck, some pictures of Dylan's truck. And then I just met this dude over here and I thought his car looks pretty sweet. So I said I'd give him some photos of his car too. So I switched, I put the 50 mil on. I was thinking about doing the 85 mil, but I just don't have too much room here to work with. So we're gonna see what we can figure out with the 50 and make it work. I think it'd be pretty sweet either way. Whenever I'm doing photos of trucks, I like to kind of walk around the truck here. I know this one. If you guys look at my Instagram, you'll see it all over there. But I like to walk around and see like what I'm seeing. So there's some telephone poles off to the back there and I don't really want to have to spend time editing those out. So I'm going to see what I can do to cover it. But first, let's get some dope sunlight shots here. Yeah, that'll look sweet when I edit it up. All right. So I wanted to get an up high angle, but what happens when I get an up high angle is I'm getting that telephone line in behind there. So if I come closer, let's see here. Whenever I shoot trucks, I love doing these like side profile kind of deals, especially with a really wide truck like this, because it always looks sweet. So we got a little bit of chub rub going on here because it is on technically a leveling kit, and I'm gonna try to get these wheels a little more out. Yeah, so just go ahead and come forward. No, straight forward. Come on. And then cut. Come on a little bit. Right there. So we're gonna get some from behind shots. Get a picture of that butt. That's kind of awkward. All right, so I don't know if you can see him, but there's a dude over there with a flashlight. He just kind of yelled at us for being up here. So this is now a little bit of a sketchy operation. We're gonna try to make this really, really quick. Hey, Dylan, that security dude just got really mad at us, so we're gonna have to do this quick, okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, right there. Steffi's taking so freaking long. This dude's gonna kick us out for sure. gonna get some. I'm gonna try to. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get some shots of your taillights. Well guys, sorry, but my guy over there just doesn't like us. He doesn't want to show us any love. So I think we got to cut the shoot short. So